future of manufacturing technology begins here, at the Rotter Bruch 12 site. The Laboratory for Machine Tools and Production Engineering at RWTH Aachen University is researching the limits of forming and machining technology. We enable the fine blanking of sheet metal grades that are difficult to cut, as well as fine blanking with innovative tool materials. We investigate the effects of environmentally friendly lubricants and increase your productivity. We support you so that you can concentrate on your core processes. With us, you even achieve greater drawing depth with thinner sheets. We also make dry forming of extruded components possible. New approaches are also being taken in tool making. Incremental forming increases the wear resistance of your tools and enables customized tribological systems for your individual requirements. Our edge debarring increases your tool life, whether during forming or machining a defined cutting edge. Customized machining solutions are also possible. We achieve the highest precision with outstanding wear resistance at the same time. Not only when turning, but also when broaching. Or milling of alternative materials for the automotive or aerospace industry. On request, our manufacturing processes are monitored by modern data analytics and secured by distributed ledger technologies. Benefit from the Internet of Production directly in the hall, quickly and securely. Thus we get the maximum out of your processes. Always one step ahead. Discover the chair of manufacturing technology at the WZL. System solutions for your production. We look forward to hearing from you.